up, you guys? It's me, Nia Ray, back with another quick short video. This video is going to be a very quick tutorial on how to make an old t-shirt into a cute crop top. So this is an old t-shirt I've had since I graduated high school 4 years ago. This is my senior shirt. I haven't worn it in forever, so I'm going to make it into a crop top. That way I can wear it in the summer weather. So I'm gonna take a clip. All you need is a clip. I'm gonna use this small binder clip. You're gonna use this to mark where you want to cut your shirt. So I want my shirt to be, I don't want it to be super short, so I'm going to put this about, let's see, here's my stomach. I'm gonna put this about right here, and this is about where I want it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to cut it. Alright, you guys, I have got my scissors and my shirt is laid out. You want to make sure that everything is smoothed out and that the bottom parts down here are matched evenly. And I'm just going to smooth this out. I'm actually going to take this out because I kind of know. Like, you see this little bump right here? That's where I'm gonna cut. I'm actually gonna cut below it. That way, you can cut a little bit below where you want it because you don't want to cut it too short. Because if you cut it too short, you can't go back and fix it. Whereas if you cut it a little bit longer and you want it shorter, you can go back and fix it. So here we go. Look at that. Alright, you guys, that is all for this tutorial. Super easy, and you can transform any of your old t-shirts into cute crop tops, and this is the final result of mine. So this is my crop top. I could cut this a little bit shorter if I wanted to, but yes, this is the final result, and you guys can cut this to whatever length you want. So yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for any of you that want to transform those old t-shirts that you don't wear anymore into cute summer tops. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!